Captain, welcome to Base World. We see you have a lot of new people with you. Now, I haven't seen you in a while, but I want to tell you that everything is okay and it'll be great. I know a couple people that have bitches. Like I said, but this is all about Lil B today, and we're gonna go and take a tour of this base place. You know, some call it Base World. I'll be your host, Captain 66.
Put on my back. I'm Lex Luger, diamonds and magazines. Yes.
My bad, I'm ruining your face too. My bad. My bad, dude.
They still use fire? White people use battery power?
Yeah, white people's power goes off, they panic. Black people power goes off, they plan it.
True. What's this for?